As of today, I am planning to overview a stock from my watch list or from my portfolio or whichever comes to my view. Let's start with my all-time favorite CHE.UN, Chemtrade Logistic Income Fund. It's a Canadian company that provides industrial chemicals and service to customers in North America and around the world. It operates through two segments, sulfur and water chemicals SWC and electrochemicals EC, which having market cap of 899 million. Dividend yield is 7.77% as of today, April 19, 2023. It is a monthly dividend payer. Earning per share is 0.56 and TTM earning per share is 0.99 and PE ratio is 13.9x. P ratio TTM is 7.8, both on the favorable side to buy, and the cash flow TMM is 2.8x. 1 year target according to Yahoo Finance is 11.04, where the current trading price is 7.72 as of today, April 19. And for the last 1 year, there is no insider selling, but instant keep on buying it for nearly $181,740 worth of shares. At last, let's see the 52-week range is lying between 6.65 to 10.19 cents. There is a point to take on notice that last month the company did a $100 million public offering. From my point of view, 770 is a good entry point and also exit when nearing 11ish.